Hi everyone, it's Mindy from mommymouseclubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make this delicious and creamy Marry Me Chicken Alfredo. This recipe is quick and easy, making it the perfect dinner on a busy night. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 16 ounces of penne pasta, 2 pounds of sliced chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 22-ounce jar of Alfredo sauce, 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of chopped basil. Heat a large pot of salted water and cook the pasta according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, slice the chicken and season with salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or the oil from the jar of sun-dried tomatoes, in a large skillet and cook the chicken over medium-high heat until cooked through. Remove the cooked chicken from the skillet and then cook the chopped onion in the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil for 2 minutes. Add the garlic and the red pepper flakes and cook for 2 more minutes. Add the jar of Alfredo sauce, the sun-dried tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese to the onion mixture and cook over medium heat for a couple of minutes until the cheese melts. Add the drained pasta and the cooked chicken to the skillet and stir to coat with sauce. Don't be embarrassed to sprinkle more Parmesan cheese on top, as well as some chopped fresh basil. I hope you enjoy this recipe for Marry Me Chicken Alfredo as much as I do. Remember that the full recipe is in the description below, as well as the link to the printable version. If you're looking for more delicious recipes, head over to mommymouseclubhouse.com or sign up for my email list in the description and get them right into your inbox. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.